shows structures of the spinal cord as well as spinal nerves. Spinal cord itself, okay, starts right after the medulla oblongata, and it's going to continue all the way until L1, where it ends at a structure called the conus medullaris. You can actually see a horizontal groove here. This is the posterior surface, so that would, well, actually, no, we really don't know this in this model. That's just the spinal cord. That's either the anterior or median groove. So coming from your intervertebral foramina, the actual spinal nerves will emerge. So the spinal nerves that come from C1 through C4 make up the cervical plexus. The major nerve coming from this region is the phrenic nerve. Coming from C5 through C8 and parts of T1 is the brachial plexus. Individual nerves, you have the radial nerve, the median nerve, and the ulnar nerve, as well as the axillary nerve. There is no plexus for thoracic, so these would just be individual spinal nerves. So this is your first rib, so that would be T1, is that first spinal nerve there. In the lumbar regions, you have the lumbar plexus that extends from L1 to L5. So lumbar plexus. Coming from this, you have the femoral nerve, which is the anterior portion of the thigh. Slightly lower, you have the sacral plexus. Major nerve coming from this region is the sciatic nerve, which goes all the way on the posterior thigh as well as all the way down the leg. And then the collection of nerve fibers that continue after the conus medullaris, after the spinal cord, we call this the cauda equina. And then where the pia mater ends, we call that the filum terminale.